Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to the launch of the prestigious product Chitra Magna, an innovative RNA isolation kit developed by the scientists of our institute for isolating RNA from swabs for COVID-19 tests. The technology has been transferred to Agape Diagnostics Limited, Cochin, and will be manufactured and sold under the name of Agape Chitra Magna. We are fortunate to have Dr. V.K. Saraswat, our Honorable President and Honorable Member, Niti Ayog, and Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, to share the proud moment with us.
The COVID-19 pandemic is looming large over the humanity with its macabre face. The entire world is striving hard to solve the COVID-19 riddle with better testing methods, devices for treatment and human safety, therapeutics and vaccines. Today we have assembled here to launch the Chitra Magna, an RNA isolation kit which is used as a stepping stone for every virus detection for PCR or LAMP under the trade name Agape Chitra Magna. Within a span of 2 months, our dedicated team of experts from the institute was able to achieve a remarkable feat by tying up with the right industrial partner, Agape, and we could overcome most of the necessary tasks like validation, regulatory clearance within this short period. I consider it as my honor and duty to welcome our important dignitaries to this event. First of all, I would like to welcome our Honorable President and Member of Niti Ayog, Dr. V.K. Saraswat, to this event. He said, for combating COVID-19 situation, you have to plan, source and deliver required infrastructure. He has always given immense support, advice and direction to us to face and to tackle these hurdles. Dr. Saraswat, our Honorable President, advocates for self-reliance and stresses the importance of indigenous product development. Sir, I wholeheartedly welcome you to this event. Now I welcome Professor Ashutosh Sharma, the Secretary of DST. He has stated clear and present vision with commitment of people is the key to success. He has always extending all support to our translational research efforts by extending much needed resources and direction. DST has also facilitated many of the inter-institutional collaborations to mobilize all technical and other knowledge bases within our institutes and companies in India. Sir, it is my proud privilege to welcome you to this function. I invite our Director, Professor Asha Kishore, the person behind a new technology-driven strategy to bring products to the market in the short possible time by adopting an innovative and mission mode approach as different from conventional investigative approach. Give resources, provide freedom, and then comes the research. This is her motto. This mission was made possible resulting in today's launch of this Chitra Magna. I have to record the personal efforts MADA has taken over to mobilize the reagents, components and various other items to the developmental activities which has been arranged from abroad and within our country. This was an Herculean task when the world was under total lockdown. Madam, I welcome you this time. I also welcome Mr. Thomas Jones and his wife, Mrs. Beena Jones, and the whole Agape team to this event. I also heartily welcome Dr. Rajesh Pai from Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, and he has all the way taken from his training to come over here. Thank you. I also welcome Dr. A. Velumani from Thyrocare. He will be on the line and his representative is Paul Abraham. I am extremely happy to welcome Dr. Anup Kumar, the star of the day, and all the team members to this function. I take this opportunity to welcome all DST officials, Dr. Akhilesh Kuba and the team of DST Media Cell to this function. I welcome our associate head, Mr. C.V. Muralidharan, Mr. Balram, Ms. Sandhya from the Technology Business Division, and Amrita was helped for the regulatory purposes in a very, very short time. I take this opportunity to welcome all my colleagues and friends and media who have assembled here or viewing through online. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir. To make this evening a blessed one, we would like to request Dr. Asha Kishore, Director, SETIMST, and Mr. Thomas John, Managing Director, Agape Diagnostics, to mark the beginning of this auspicious function by lighting the lamp. Thank you. We kindly request Dr. V.K. Saraswat, our Honorable President of the Institute, to deliver the Presidential Address.
Namaskar, good afternoon. I'm very happy to be part of this function today, a milestone activity in the entire spectrum of activity which are being taken by Sri Chitra Trunal Institute for Medical Science and Technology, an institution under the Department of Science and Technology, which has done outstanding work during these last 45 days of pandemic COVID-19. I have always maintained that if you really want to transform R&D from concept level to translation and value addition, you need two things. One is investment, another one is a focus, and third one is very important, is a good collaboration between industry, academia, and the national laboratories. This particular development and innovation is a typical example of what has happened. The Sri Chitra team, biotechnology team, has worked hand in gloves with the industry and brought out this very important equipment which is responsible for collection of RNA from the samples in a most efficient manner, ensuring that we have a very large probability of success and we don't get false negatives or false positives. So this is a breakthrough technology which has happened. The second part is that most of our equipments which are used in the medical in the health sector are imported, and that it means a huge budget burden. And secondly, many times during the crisis like this, they are not available. In fact, the supply chain got disrupted. As a result, we could not get the APIs. We could not get many of the PPEs and raw materials for manufacturing ventilators and so on. Now, this is a typical situation in the case of health sector. And by doing this kind of an indigenous development, I think you have set up an example that India can do under this kind of a crisis with the focus of the agencies, the laboratories, the institutions, and the industry. What is not achievable during the peacetime, one could achieve this year. This is a great thing. Another advantage what we are going to happen with this particular product is, while the imported systems, first of all, not available, even if they are available, are fairly costly, and this system is to be quite cheap, probably 50 to 60% the cost of the imported item. As a result, it is going to reduce the burden as far as the import is concerned. I personally believe that this technology not only can be used for this particular example, but can be used in many other applications, where you have to really collect samples in this mode and make it available to the, whether it is the lamp technology or it is any other system which is being used. The While many people mention that this magnetic bead technology has been there in the past, but most important thing is applying it to this problem today and then coming up with this solution which has emerged. I think we have to give a lot of credit to the team from Sri Chitra who has done a wonderful job in this particular area. Sri Chitra Magna, an innovative RNA extraction kit, it has been developed and now it is going to be produced by the company which is what Agappa,
Agape.
some name, Agapia, the company which is going to produce this in numbers. I hope that we'll be able to produce large quantities because you will need more and more because our testing rates are increasing and to facilitate at a low cost, I think this company should be in a position to meet all the demands. I'm very happy that this has been accepted as a project by the ICMR. It has been accepted by the various agencies as possible solution for this particular application. So I congratulate the team and also congratulate the manufacturers who have come forward for doing the manufacturing and congratulate the Department of Science and Technology for taking such great initiative in funding such programs and congratulate the leadership at Sri Chitra, which is responsible for coming out with such innovation in a short time and meeting the needs of the country. Thank you very much. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir. We kindly request Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, who has been continuously guiding and supporting our COVID-related activities to offer the felicitation.
Thank you. This is a great occasion indeed. Very heartwarming that the Chitra Magna kit for extracting RNA is getting commercialized. This is a compelling example of Make in India. So it's not only an example of Make in India because Make in India comes at the very end. It is a great example of do R&D in India, innovate in India, design in India, prototype in India, and together work with people who would actually scale it up. So indeed, this is a very happy occasion for all of us, and there are many good lessons in it for all of us. They were already pointed out by President Dr. Saraswat, and basically, if our R&D is working together with industry from the beginning, then the knowledge which is generated by the team can be translated very, very quickly and to the scale. And indeed, both the speed and scale have been very impressive in this case. And also, I would wish to thank the team which made it possible, Dr. Anup T. and the entire students and other scientists working with him, as well as the direction which is provided by the Institute. There are a couple of things that we need to note in this case, which make these kind of innovations possible in the quickest possible time. The first one is having the right kind of people and the infrastructure that's available. So in this particular case, about 5 years ago, Technology Research Center was seeded in Sri Chitra Institute. This is called Technology Research Center. And so therefore the entire focus was to convert our knowledge into technology products which can go to market. And I'm very happy to note that this is one of the latest in this series, but there have been very many other innovations, products, technologies of relevance which have come through this center. And this has happened because of all the stakeholders working together with a clear vision of where we want to be and the timelines which are associated with it. In this particular case, you would see that it's not simply a routine product. It's not something that a whole lot of other people are making. So there is a good creativity in it. There is good innovation in it. This basically just proves that our scientific knowledge and the knowledge base is very robust, is very deep. It only needs to be given opportunity to convert it into products for which there is need there is social application, there is the market for it. So everything coming together at the right time, with the right speed, with the right scale, uh, has happened in this case. And I'm sure that this would also happen with very many other products which are in the pipeline for Shri Chitra Institute, as well as other groups in the country working in science and technology with total dedication at this occasion, that many of them would be very successful in meeting our needs, meeting the challenges, and converting them into opportunities. I want to thank the entire team. Indeed, um, the whole society should be grateful to them. Uh, as to note that, um, there's these tiny little magnetic nanoparticles. They go stick to RNA, and then you can pull all these RNA strands by a magnetic field, like a magnet. So you get concentrations of RNA, which are maybe 6 to 7 times in the normal extraction kit, and you are getting it at a cost which is one half of what is available in the market, which is a great thing. So imagine that with your capacity of doing 3 lakh tests per day, that's the target for the company to produce these many tests per day, 3 lakh tests per day. The valuable resources which are saved in this process, at the same time being self-sufficient in this particular application. I mean, it's truly great thing. And everybody needs to be conveyed very hearty congratulations for this. And I'm sure that people would continue to work with the same energy, with the same enthusiasm, with the same purpose in order to bring more of these relevant products to the market very quickly. Thank you very much, and all the best going forward.
Thank you, sir. To share the details of Chitra Magna, we proudly invite the man behind the technology, Dr. Anup Kumar, Scientist G, Division of Molecular Medicine, Biomedical Technology Wing.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected President of the Institute, Dr. Saraswat, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Director of the Institute, Professor Asha Kishore, Agape Chairman, Mr. Thomas John, Head BMT Wing, Dr. Verma. These are the serious testing time in our human history, and the whole world is looking for scientists and doctors for immediate solutions, which we have this health crisis due to COVID-19. And Sri Chitra has this history, a tradition of taking up such social cause and work towards developing indigenous technologies. This particular technology of RNA isolation protocol was developed mainly because we were focusing on how to detect COVID-19 genes in a much more faster and a cheaper way. RNA isolation in COVID-19 is one of the critical steps in detection of this virus, and high-quality RNA isolation protocol is an essential part of it. And our country is mainly depending on importing these kits especially for the COVID-19. The protocol we developed was found to be highly efficient and matching to the best DNA RNA isolation kits available in the world. So that is a good feeling to see within a very short period of time we could develop to achieve such kind of target. In this journey we learned a lot of things. During this highly stressful time we learned how to overcome the hurdles and face the challenges. And especially I learned the team spirit, and which gave us strength and improved continuously on all our efforts. We also discovered that, which we as a scientist we always overlook, that there are a lot of high quality indigenous products available and ingredients to develop these kits. One of the best example is MagGenome, who develop these magnetic beads. They have this in the market, which was worked almost as equivalent as the international products. I want to thank Agape Diagnostics for taking all the steps for bringing this product to the market in a very short period of time. I also feel this is a time where the science is going to change, and the industry-academic collaboration is going to be the new norm, and which is what we are going to look forward to. In the end, I would like to thank my team. Without them, this could not have been possible. Mr. Amal Wilson, Jessica, Swati, Anjana, and Ria for their dedicated contribution to these efforts. Thank you all for all your support and believing in us. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. We kindly request Dr. Asha Kishore, Director, SCTIMST, to unveil Agape Chitra Magna. To receive the first batches of Agape Chitra Magna, we have with us Dr. Rajesh Pai, Medical Superintendent, Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, a reputed super specialty hospital in Cochin. We also have Mr. Paul Abraham, representative of Thyrocare Technologies Limited, which is one of the largest diagnostic lab chains in India. Dr. A. Velumani, Chairman and Managing Director, Thyrocare Technologies Limited, has joined us online. We now request Mr. Thomas John, Agape Diagnostics Limited, to hand over the first say to Dr. Rajesh Pai, and we request Dr. Rajesh Pai to receive the same. Now we request Mr. Paul Abraham, representative of Thyrocare Technologies Limited, to receive the products. Thank you. We now kindly request Dr. A. Velumani, Thyrocare Technologies Limited, to say a few words.
I wish to congratulate Sri Chitra Institute for having achieved this feat in such a short period of time, and that too under lockdown. I was a scientist. Today I am an entrepreneur. I understand very well what way a scientist and entrepreneur can do a great contribution to the society. I believe the scientific part has been done by Chitra, and the most dynamic entrepreneur in diagnostic industry is Mr. Thomas John, and I am pretty sure Agape's strength in reaching to the nooks and corners of not only India, in many parts of this world. This product should see as the single largest product in the RNA extraction kit, and this is my wish. And once again, congratulations to Sri Chitra Institute and all the best for Agape. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now invite Mr. Thomas John, Agape Diagnostics Limited, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries on the dais at Niti Aayog and in SCT IMSTS here, and my dear friends, colleagues from SCT and Agape. A warm good evening to one and all. It gives me immense pride and pleasure to be part of this great function of DST, Niti Aayog and SCT on launching of Agape Chitra Magna. We are indeed fortunate enough to be associated with the Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology from 2017, and it has given us a lot of insights and thrust in our journey in vitro diagnostics research and in developing new ideas. I fully appreciate the warm support and timely interventions from Dr. Asha Kishore Madam and other scientists in SCT and their unstinted support and their passion in new research and outcome. Even as we face myriads of limitations and constraints due to COVID-19 pandemic, Team SCT and our team could run against all the odds and bringing forth this project to this level at the right time. Our association with the Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute still continues to stand with an array of multiple projects such as MISPA View, the Vein Viewer, Rapid Diagnostics of Urinary Tract Infection, TB Screening Project, PTINR, Chitra Gene Lab. Let me primarily thank Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Sir, Honorable President, SCT IMSTS and member of Niti Aayog for his keen interest in this project and for taking so much pain to arrange this meeting and for launching and commercial sale of Agape Chitra Magna. Thank you very much, sir. Let me offer my deep gratitude and thankfulness to Professor Ashutosh Sharma, sir, Secretary DST, Government of India for his gracious presence and felicitations and great support on each step of development of this project. My formal thanks go to Dr. Professor Asha Kishore Madam, Director, SCT IMSTS, for all her bold steps and wholehearted support to industry with true Make in India passion and for her astute leadership and passion to deliver cost-effective, unique product to the nation. Thank you, ma'am. Let me offer my bouquet of thanks to Dr. Anup Kumar, who is the mainstay behind this innovative Agape Chitra Magna. We are proud to work with such a great scientist. Thank you, sir. Dr. H.K. Verma, Head BMT Wing SCT, and all other team members deserve tons and tons of thankfulness from our side for their passionate approach to research and helpful attitude towards indigenous industries and startups. Thank you all, sir. Let me thank Dr. Rajesh Pai, Medical Superintendent from esteemed Amrita Institute of Medical Science, Kochi, for your august presence in this dais and for taking so much pain to reach here all the way from Kochi to accept the Agape Chitra Magna first sales. Dr. A. Velumani, Chairman and Managing Director, Thyrocare Technologies Limited, my mentor and guide during my favorite formative years, who readily consented to my invitation and participated in this function from Mumbai on WebEx to receive Agape Chitra Magna kits as part of our primary sale. Thank you, sir. Let me offer my thanks to entire Agape team and all the team which is directly and indirectly connected to this project and your timeless efforts and supports for this product. Thank you for all the nice evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of SCT-IMST, we would like to thank our Honorable President, Dr. V.K. Saraswat and Professor Ashutosh Sharma for blessing this occasion with their presence. We are thankful to them and all officials of DST for supporting the R&D activities of Sri Chitra that led to the development of Chitra Magna. We congratulate Dr. Anup Kumar and his team once again and thank all our colleagues in the technology wing for the united efforts to make this a very special event. We thank the national and regional media for attending this event and covering the launch function. We also thank Dr. Akhilesh Gupta and the DST Media Cell for the assistance and guidance in organizing this ceremony concurrently in New Delhi and Trivandrum. We take this moment to thank all the people who are accessing this event via video webcast. With this, we conclude this event. Thank you all once again.